Students, today we are going to start with the lesson number 3, that is new lesson, that is integers. Okay, so we will study what are integers. So listen carefully, and I would like to request you to open your maths textbook, page number 12, so that it will be better to understand the lesson. In your lesson, they have given you a picture in which they have shown you a tree. Some boys are standing over there. Some plants are shown with flowers and few ducks. Okay, and they have told you to count how many ducks are there, how many flowers are there, how many boys are there, how many trees are there. Okay, here I have also shown a few picture trees picture, and they have asked you to count them. Okay, so if you count the red fruit, that is apples, so there are 7 apples. Okay, so like this you can count. So if you want to count, then what you are using, we use numbers. Okay, so numbers were created because of the need to count things in nature. Earlier, numbers were created to count things surrounding us or around us. So we write the count of the things in the form of the numbers. So now let's start with what are the different types of the numbers. First type is the counting numbers or the natural number. So the what are the natural numbers? All the numbers which you say from 1, 2, 3, from 1 till infinite. Okay, many. I can't say till 10,000 or 20,000. Infinite numbers. So you can see your arrow is shown with a red color. The numbers from 1 till infinite numbers, many numbers. From 1, they all are natural numbers. Okay, they're also called as counting numbers. Okay, and up you will see it is written as whole number. So what is the meaning of whole number? Whole numbers are all natural number, but it includes 0. Okay, so 0 is also a number, and it was the Indian person Aryabhatta who discovered the number 0. Okay, so he was the Indian person to discover the 0 in the whole world. Okay, so there are two types of numbers. First we will study, that is natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1 and whole numbers include 0. Okay, here in your textbook it is shown the set of all natural numbers together with 0 is a set of whole numbers. Okay, after that they have shown you here I have shown you the integer number line. Okay, now you have a number line studies in this lesson. This line is known as the number line, in which there is 0 in the center, and to the right side of the number line there are positive numbers, and to the left side there are negative numbers. Okay, now positive numbers are shown without any signs. Clear? So here plus sign is not shown, but for the negative numbers minus sign is shown. Now the numbers which are negative integers, okay, to the left of the 0, they are smaller than 0. Okay, and the right side numbers, they are greater than 0. Clear? You must have sometimes visited the lift. Okay, so if you are visiting any mall, the malls have ground floors. Okay, so if you want to go to the ground floor where the parking system is there, so they are showing -1, -2. Okay, like that. So 0, the -1, -2, these are the less numbers than 0. Clear? And above 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, they are positive integers. Now what is the sign for 0? 0 is neither positive nor negative. Clear? So in a textbook also they have given you the number with the minus signs are called as the negative numbers, and with plus sign they are called as the positive numbers. Usually we do not give plus sign for the positive numbers. Now, here I have shown you a thermometer. Through this thermometer, it will be good for you to understand. Okay, thermometer is used to study or record the temperature. The red color, it can be mercury or it can be alcohol. Okay, now if you are holding this thermometer in a hot substance or any cold substance, suppose you are holding in a hot substance, so the temperature will rise, will increase more than 0. And if you are keeping in a cold substance, means more ice or below that, so the temperature will go below 0 degrees Celsius. So below 0, very less than 0, and above 0, more than 0. Okay, this will be better for you to understand the thermometer. Now, in your textbook, they have asked you to write the proper sign. In your exercise number 4, question number 2, they told you to write the proper sign, and in that they have given you some questions like temperature is given. In Shimla, it is 7 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. Okay, so if they tell about below 0, then it should be -7. Okay, now here see, here I have shown you the height of the mountains, or the and the depth of the sea, means below sea level and above sea level. If it is below sea level, it is below 0, that is -2, -4, -6. If it is above, it is 2, 4, 6, 8 without minus sign. Okay, now what are integers? Integers are all the whole numbers and all of their opposite on the negative number line, including 0. Okay, the number line which I have shown you, all the numbers on the number line, they all are called as integers. Okay, means all whole numbers including 0. 0 is also integer. So if we are taking 7, -7 is also integer. If you are taking 2, -2 is also integer. 2 is also integer. 0 is also integer. Okay, 50, -50, 100, -100, all are integers. Now, for your exercise purpose, so if for the word is given as below, below means below 0, then you have to use the negative sign. So how you will write? 7 degrees Celsius below 0 degree, -7. Okay, -7 degree. I forgot to write here -7 degree. You write there -7 degree. And if the word is above, then above you have to use the positive sign. No need to write plus sign. Okay. Now question number 3 is also similar. They have given you sentences. You have to understand the sentence and write into the using the symbol. Like for example, first one, a submarine is at a depth of 512 meters below sea level. So if it is below, then minus 512 meters. Clear? So this was for today. So next part will continue in the next video.